Today, we review the best alto saxophones for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Glory Professional Alto Saxophone. If you're looking for the top alto saxophone without breaking the bank, then you'll appreciate the Glory Professional Sax. What I appreciate about it is that it's made for students and beginners.
Number 2.
Jean Paul USA is 400 Student Alto Saxophone. While the Jean Paul USA is 400 Student Alto Saxophone is quite pricey, this is the surefire quality sax you'll own. It comes in the beautiful finish and the yellow brass construction, which feels premium and professional.
Number 3.
LyxJam Alto Saxophone. The LyxJam saxophone is meant for beginners and intermediate students, coming with everything you need. It's surprising that the complete package is all made of fine quality, and there are no major issues with how all of them work, being very useful.
Number 4.
Mendini by Cecilio E-flat Alto Saxophone. Mendini is back again with the excellent quality instruments, including the Mendini by Cecilio Alto Sax. Students will appreciate its variety of designs, while beginners and intermediate players will like its good construction.
Number 5.
Lazarro 362-2C Alto Saxophone. The Lazarro Alto Saxophone has the stylish appearance and good construction, which makes it a good sax to use for learning. While it isn't part of the popular brands out there, it still offers the similar feel and sound that impresses many.